Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to create a restore point in your PC or laptop. So first go to the file explorer, then right click, choose properties, then you should go to the advanced system settings. So now go to system protection, then choose the system file, then choose create button, then choose create option. Then you can just type the name whatever you wish to type, and then choose create. And that's it guys.